Dear students, now discuss the topic is artificial kidney. Okay, it is the kidney, artificial kidney used to filter the blood of kidney damaged persons. By the process is called hemodialysis. Hemodialysis means it is the process to filter the blood from the nitrogenous waste products. Okay, that is hemodialysis. And what is the process involved in the hemodialysis? Okay, artificial kidney, it is the machine. Okay, mechanical process that used to filter the blood. Okay, the blood is taken from the main artery. Already you know about the artery. That is, the artery is one of the blood vessel in the body, carries the blood to the body parts, organs, tissues. Okay, and firstly blood taken from the main artery from the body, and after heparin is added to blood. Heparin is added to the blood. Heparin, already you know heparin. Heparin is the anticoagulant of the blood, and it is helps in prevent the coagulation of the blood when it is flows through the blood vessels in the body. Heparin is added to the blood and pumped into the dialyzer. Okay, which one is the machine? Mechanic process. Machine involved in the process of the hemodialysis is called dialyzer. Dialyzer is the instrument apparatus used in hemodialysis. Okay, the blood pumped into the dialyzer. This one is the dialyzer. Okay, students, this one is the instrument called dialyzer. Blood is pumped into the dialyzer. Blood flows through the tubes. Okay, blood flows through the tubes. Tubes present in the dialyzer. The blood is taken from the main artery. After adding of the heparin, the blood is flows through the tubes of the dialyzer. These are the tubes made with cellophane. This is the cellophane. It is chemically made with cellulose. Okay, and membrane of the tubes. The dialyzer with the tubes. These are the tubes are having membranes. These are the tubes having membrane impermeable to plasma proteins. Okay, that means this is the membrane of the tube does not allow the passage of the plasma proteins to the outside, and permeable to urea, uric acid and creatinine. Uric acid and creatinine. These are excretory products, nitrogenous waste substances. This is allows the passage from the blood which flows through the tubes of the dialyzer. Okay, permeable to urea, uric acid and creatinine. And membrane separates the blood and flowing inside the tube from the dialyzing fluid. Okay, this is the tube for the flowing of the dialyzing fluid in the dialyzer, and this one is the tube that flows only the blood through the tubes. Flows separately the blood and the dialyzing fluid in the dialyzer. Okay, in the machine dialyzer, the flowing is separated from the blood to the dialyzing fluid. Okay, that one is the membrane separates the flowing of the blood from the dialyzing fluid. Okay, cellophane membrane allows the passage of the molecules. Okay, cellophane membrane allows the passage of the molecules based on the concentration gradient. Okay, based on the concentration gradient, the blood is with the nitrogen substances allows the passage to outside or into the dialyzing fluid through the membrane of the cellophane tubes. And what is the meaning of the dialysis? Dialysis means the blood is clear from the nitrogen substances. Okay, nitrogenous substances moves out from the blood. That is called dialysis. Okay, students. Now, after the dialysis is completed in the dialyzer, okay, blood is pumped back into the body. The blood is pumped back into the body through a fine vein after adding of the anti-heparin. Okay, this one is the tube helps in entry of the dialysate into the dialyzer. This is the tube used for exit of the dialysate from the dialyzer after the filtration of the blood. Okay, students, this is the hemodialysis. Entire the process is completed in 2 to 6 hours. Okay, it is the technique. It is the technique or the hemodialysis method most useful for whose the kidneys are damaged all over the world. Okay, in this, these are the